Stop thinking about your laptop. Seriously. If you have been holding off on a new workstation upgrade, or if you are currently carrying a backpack that feels like it is filled with bricks, you need to pause. What has surfaced from the internal database leaks for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra changes the entire math of your digital workflow. We are talking about a device that is not just trying to be a better tablet. It is engineered to be a definitive laptop killer. I am talking about a 3-nanometer silicon revolution, a massive shift in build materials, and a display technology that makes your current monitor look like it is from the last decade. Welcome back to Tap Tech. I am your host, and today we are diving into the absolute, authenticated blueprints of the most anticipated mobile workstation of 2026. If you want to know if you should save your money or pull the trigger, keep your attention locked right here, because the specs we are uncovering today are going to reshape your productivity entirely. Let's talk about the hardware. For years, the complaint with premium tablets was that they were just big phones. Samsung heard you, and the S12 Ultra is effectively the death of that criticism. The biggest shift here is the departure from traditional silicon. We have confirmed through multiple supply chain reports that Samsung is moving away from the standard architecture you have seen in previous generations. Instead, they are integrating the hyper-advanced 3-nanometer MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. Now, why does this matter to you? Because 3-nanometer architecture is not just a marketing term. It is about thermal efficiency and raw throughput that finally puts desktop-class performance into a chassis that is thinner than a standard notebook. This chip is built for the Neural DeX environment, a new iteration of Samsung's desktop software that behaves less like a mobile app drawer and more like a true windowed operating system. You are getting the ability to run multi-threaded, professional applications without the thermal throttling that plagues almost every other mobile device on the market. Today, raw power means nothing if you cannot see what you are doing. This is where the display gets genuinely exciting. We are looking at a 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED panel, but it is not just any panel. We are talking about a tandem OLED configuration pushing a staggering 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you are color grading 4K footage in the middle of a park or just trying to read a document in direct sunlight, this screen is designed to be effectively perfect. And here is the kicker. The no-notch revolution is finally here. By utilizing the next generation of under-display camera technology, Samsung has achieved a truly bezel-less experience. No hole punches, no cutouts, just pure, uninterrupted canvas. This is the visual workspace you have been dreaming of, and it is finally becoming a reality. Now let's get into the build quality, because this is where the S12 Ultra justifies its premium price tag. Forget the aluminum frames of the past. The industry reports are solidifying that this device will feature a Grade 5 titanium alloy chassis. This is not just about aesthetics. It is about structural integrity and heat dissipation. Titanium is significantly lighter and stronger than aluminum, allowing the S12 Ultra to maintain its massive footprint while keeping the weight manageable for long-haul travel. And when you pair that with the new S Pen Pro, which now features advanced haptic actuators to simulate the actual resistance of different paper textures from smooth bond to grainy canvas, you are looking at a digital canvas that feels more tactile than anything else on the market. Of course, the biggest bottleneck for any Pro device is memory. If you have ever tried to run heavy creative suites on a tablet, you know that the app refreshing issue is the ultimate productivity killer. Samsung is addressing this by pushing the ceiling to 24 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM. This is a massive jump. With 24 gigabytes of memory, you are not just browsing. You are multitasking across high-resolution projects, browser instances, and communication tools without a single stutter. It is the kind of overhead that actually allows you to leave your laptop at home. We have to address the battery. We have seen reports suggesting an 11,600 milliamp-hour cell. Some of you are asking if that is enough. The answer lies in the efficiency of that 3-nanometer chip. Because the Dimensity 9500 is so much more power efficient, the battery does not need to be larger to last longer. It just needs to be managed better. Samsung is pairing this with 80-watt ultra-fast charging, which can get you to 50% capacity in under 20 minutes. That is a game changer for someone who is constantly between meetings. It is not about having a battery that lasts 3 days. It is about having a battery that never stops you from working because you can top it off in the time it takes to get a coffee. Let us be candid about the software experience. We are hearing a lot about neural decks. This is Samsung's answer to the integration of local artificial intelligence. Instead of relying on cloud-based processing that requires a perfect connection, this tablet is being designed to process complex tasks, like local video rendering, object removal in photos, and language translation, entirely on-device. This is the future of mobile workstations. It is private, it is instantaneous, and it is always available. The implementation of on-device neural processing ensures that your sensitive data never leaves the hardware, providing a level of enterprise-grade security that traditional laptops simply cannot match in a mobile form factor. This focus on local AI also means you get immediate response times for generative tasks, making your creative output faster than ever before. I know what you are thinking. What about the price? While official pricing is still locked behind the curtain, analysts are looking at a structure that sits firmly in the premium workstation category. This is not a casual purchase. It is an investment in a machine that is meant to replace your current hardware. With the fall release window approaching, we are keeping a very close eye on the supply chain. If you are in the market for a device that truly blurs the line between a tablet and a laptop, the S12 Ultra is the one you need to watch. It represents a fundamental shift in how we approach mobile computing, moving away from convenience-first devices toward performance-first machines that happen to be portable. Before you go out and spend your budget, you have to ask yourself, is your workflow actually ready for this? Are you prepared to move your entire creative process into an Android-based desktop environment? That is the real question. For some, the transition is seamless. For others, the ecosystem shift is the biggest hurdle. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Are you going to make the switch to a titanium-clad 3-nanometer workstation, or are you staying tethered to your traditional laptop? I read every single comment, and I want to hear your professional take on these specs. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today on Tap Tech. We have broken down the hardware, the silicon, and the sheer potential of the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, but we are just getting started on this journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming benchmark tests the moment they go live. If you are still trying to decide which tablet is right for you right now, click the video on your screen to see how the current flagship tablets compare against these upcoming leaks. I will see you over there, and as always, stay tech-savvy.